In this video, you will see how to use a fine-tuned Hugging Face AI model to classify images. The goal is to assign a country to a car image via a Pimcore tag. Beforehand, we have already fine-tuned a model using all the car images and their associated countries. Here you see an image of a Volkswagen without associated country information. In this case, the correct country would be Germany and should be delivered by the fine-tuned AI model. To achieve this, we have to configure our action to use the fine-tuned Hugging Face AI model. Let's start the Pimcore Copilot configuration page. Here is one pre-configured action for image classification, which is missing the correct AI model. With the platform version 2024.3, we shipped two new actions that work with fine-tuned AI models. In our case, we are using the step implementation called Hugging Face Image Classification. Now, we only need to enter the correct AI model, and the action will be ready to use. Now let's switch back to our image and start the action to classify the image by its country. The action was executed successfully, and after reloading the image editor, you should see the correct country information assigned via a Pimcore tag. This example demonstrates the power of using fine-tuned AI models within Pimcore Copilot.